When the industry first started to build up the idea of having an application that companies could use for customers to contact them, call center made sense, right? It was kind of the idea of what an operator did in the 70s, right? You call, hey, I need to call XYZ number, and then they connect you, so it's a call center. That was something intellectually that people could understand what it meant. Then it became contact center because really we're trying to expand what ways people were contacting us, right? It wasn't just a call. So we operated that way for a while. Then over the last couple of years, it's really been more of an idea of what is the function of the tool. It's a customer care solution. We're trying to take care of our customer, whatever their need may be. And it's not necessarily about calling or contacting us anymore. It's about care and feeding of that customer's need. It's a various number of technologies, and they're across the gamut for the organization. So we think about it from their CRM tools. We think about it in terms of their internal business systems. So, CRM is an internal business system. Maybe it's in the cloud or not, but there's other systems like accounting systems that we want to be able to integrate to, so customer could say, this is my account number, and we can look them up as part of the process. We want to have web-based applications. So a lot of times you see when you're talking with an organization that you have an issue with, the ability to talk to that organization via web chat. So web-based applications are huge, and having those integrated to the website developers and all of that kind of stuff makes it easier. Quality management tools. So quality management is a term that defines the way that we evaluate agents within a contact center. So you think about it in terms of recording that agent's call, having some key points that we're evaluating them on, and then scoring them, and then having a conversation after the call to really understand where they could improve, or if they did an excellent job, use it as a training tool for others going forward. Also workforce management tools. These are more scheduling kind of applications that allow you to meet the needs of your peak busy times by having enough agents available, and then scheduling in breaks or shifts or those kinds of things, so it's easy for the agent to understand and automatically moves them forward throughout their day, and you're not left with 8 agents leaving at the same time for lunch and no one answering calls, for example. We have over 16 years of experience both designing and implementing customer care solutions. We have experts in the field, and we know all of the technologies out there that are proven, so that we're not going to take some kind of fly-by-night operation and try to put that into your organization, but we're going to take proven technologies that we've vetted, that we understand with the partners that we work with, to give you a really balanced solution. And when we talk about that in terms of numbers, we have over 350 distinct customers. We have over 40,000 agents. We have over 1,000 contact centers within those 350 customers. And you think about that, you say, 350 customers, 1,000 contact centers. Well, there's various types of contact centers. There's enterprise solutions, which can scale across different telephony clusters or IPT clusters or unified communication clusters. And then we have smaller solutions that work with a single cluster. And so some organizations, due to geographic reasons or due to language reasons or due to various different types of reasons, might have multiple contact centers to solve different needs within their organization. And we have contact centers that scale up to over 6,000 agents. So we really understand how to do the pre-sales effort to understand what the customer needs, and then have the delivery folks available to do the professional services and make sure it's implemented properly. And we do that through a pre-sales design phase and then an implementation phase. But where we really went out, in my mind, is that we take the time to do the proper training to the end users at the organization and make sure that they understand how the system works. We do training for the administrators of the system so they understand how to fix the system, and then we document the heck out of it.